District 57, we're proud to support the next generation of educators. As we face a nationwide teacher shortage, it's more important than ever to create opportunities for future teachers to learn and grow, right here in our schools. Through the District 214 Education Career Pathway, high school students gain real-world classroom experience by working alongside our incredible District 57 staff.
You're working alongside a future educator and teaching them some of the path that you've already been down.
Seeing different strategies in place, seeing how paraprofessionals deal with the kids and vice versa. We have an SLP, so she's able to see those strategies.
And you really get to co-teach with someone who can make an impact on the future of education.
For us to be able to sort of like foster that in her, it's like the whole reason why you would want to sign up and do it.
These early opportunities can spark a lifelong passion for teaching.
It's been really helpful to get the field experience while I'm young before I go to school, just to reinforce the idea that I wanted to go into education.
It was amazing being able to get this hands-on experience. It just really confirmed for me that I was doing what I was supposed to be doing.
As my senior year, I worked in elementary schools and a middle school, and that was also very valuable to my experience because now I know I'd like to work with middle-level students in that age range.
We also welcome college and graduate students into our classrooms as part of their training.
2 is good, right? So if 2 solutions mean there's 2 intercepts, so is it graph 1, 2, or 3?
Mentoring isn't about having all the answers. It's about listening, encouraging, and offering someone the space to grow into their own voice as a teacher.
You got to watch me and we got to talk about it and we got to reflect on here's why I do this, here's why I said that, here's why I chose this.
Working with Joanne, I saw she did a lot of values with her students, and that was something that resonated with me. And
for most of these students, many of which are District 57 grads, it's the first time they see themselves on the other side of the classroom. Not as a student, but as someone who could teach, lead, and make a difference.
Mrs. Juliana would specifically put me with students who were struggling and have me work with them individually. And a few times we would start off really rocky or rough, and as we went on and the students started understanding the content more, and I felt like I was really helping them and I really felt like I made an impact, and I know that's something I want to do for the rest of my life.
These placements range from short-term observations to full semester student teaching experiences. What makes this all possible? The dedicated educators in District 57 who go above and beyond to mentor, support, and inspire future educators.
I looked forward to my internship every single week.
I don't want to think about the end just yet because it's so overwhelming. I know I'm gonna miss them, the kids, especially my mentor.
Their impact extends far beyond the classroom and helps ensure that students today and tomorrow continue to learn from exceptional professionals.
I am so grateful that I got to work with Mr. Costello. It was life-changing just seeing how he approaches teaching and how he's an advocate for these kids, not just a teacher. He really cares about them, and you can tell. It was incredible to get to witness that.